I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook URL. So let's dive into the first step. You're going to click on this your profile picture, click on your settings, and click on settings and privacy. Here, click on personal details. That is it. Click on your personal details, then click on the contact info, and then click on your name here. You can see it. Click on this again, your name. Today is it. You can click on. Sorry guys, I think there's this information. Okay, click on this profile, then you click on the profile you want to change the name, then click on name, which is your username, and this is it. This is a URL. So if you want to change it, you can see this is your URL. Just click on change, and you can add anything there. Let's say, let's say I'm gonna add something. Okay, and if this username is available, you can see it contains some invalid characters, so I'm not going to add anything. So you can just put anything here, 008 or 009, and if this your username is available, you can say it's going to mark it. If it is not available, it's going to close it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.